This is a brilliant suite on the Brilliant Lady, room 14285A. The Brilliant Suite is part of the RockStar Quarters. I would say that this suite was definitely my favorite of all the suites that we toured during our time on the Brilliant Lady. This one has a king bed, spacious layout, indoor peekaboo shower, private terrace for ocean views. So it's a very spacious bathroom, as you can see. You do get robes that say RockStar on the back, with a walk-in shower and a separate area for the toilet. And as you can see, they have that peekaboo window. It looks really pretty, so you can get a view of whoever else is in your bedroom or the ocean while you shower. So these rooms do have a record player in them, and you can make requests. So if you want a certain artist or want to hear an album, you can ask your RockStar attendant and they will get that for you. And with these beverages at the bar, the first round is on Virgin. So all these, you drink them up, it's free. After that first round though, you do have to pay for it, so you would have to use your bar tab. Spacious terrace with patio furniture and the signature red hammock with 2 sliding doors so you can enter from either side. The room is smart enabled, so you can control the lights and temperature from this tablet. And of course, you can do the different mood lighting and moods for the room. So here's the, I think it's sexy. I don't know what this one is.
Oh, that's funny. Alrighty.
That's so cool.
Yeah, we have 5 modes like this.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So now I know how I gotta stay.
Good to go?
So that is the Brilliant Suite on the Brilliant Lady. Hopefully that was helpful for you as you plan your own Virgin Voyage. If you haven't already, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I am a travel advisor, so I can help you book your Virgin Voyage. If you haven't already, you can watch the full ship tour of the Brilliant Lady that I did, or you can watch the other cabin tours that I also have up on my channel. Well, that's it. So, until the next adventure, okay, bye.